Ever tried to copy text from a picture, a PDF, or a YouTube video and realized you can't? It's frustrating to type it all out manually. There is an easy tool on Microsoft Store that you can install to solve this. It is called Microsoft PowerToys. Install it, then click Open. After it is opened, we're going to enable some features here. The feature that we want is Text Extractor. I have already enabled it. You need to do it on your version too. Okay, now let's go back to the image. For example, here we want to copy this thing. So in order to do that, we have to press Windows, Shift and T. You see this thing? You just have to copy, like highlight the place where you want the text to be copied. Okay. Now go to your notepad and press Ctrl V. See, this is copied from here. This is super easy, right? You can also do codes. See, we just press the Windows Shift and T and drag around here. It's done. Can come back here to paste it again. So here you see that it is pasted again. So this is how like you copy a text from places where you cannot actually select the text. This goes for YouTube videos as well, and also PDF files and images like JPG, anything that you can see.